Hey, what's up? It's Chris. So I was walking around the dealership here at Camping World and I came across this brand new 2023 Keystone Springdale. This one happens to be the 286 BHU. You're looking at 32 feet, 11 inches, let's just call it 33, roughly 7,000 pounds dry. But as soon as I walked into it, I was like, whoa, wait a minute. I gotta show you this. So I grabbed my cell phone, I grabbed this little gimbal thing, which is the first time using it. You have to excuse me. I mean, look, I didn't even get a chance to tie my shoes. I wanted to get out here so fast. This coach is beautiful. And since it's Keystone, you're gonna get a lot of those awesome calling cards like the color-coded wiring. You're gonna get the blade distribution system. We'll talk about that here in a minute. Quality manufacturing, upgraded flooring like we have in here. Plus, with this one, being able to sleep 10, almost 7,000 pounds, almost 33 feet long. It is a bunkhouse, and we're gonna, well, hang on. Hang with me. I'll show you the bunk room setup here in a minute. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Let's start right here with your command panel. First thing you see when you walk in, this is where you're gonna check your fresh tank, your batteries, your black, your grays. And as far as this 286 BHU, you do have a 46-gallon fresh, 39-gallon gray, and 30-gallon black. So pretty good tank sizes. And you'll also notice on your controls, along with your slide out and your awning, you also have a battery heater. That's because you get the Dragonfly lithium battery on this beauty. So 100 amp hours on that, works really well with that Keystone Solar Flex panel that comes on this one, 200, upgradable to 400. You even get the inverted outlets. And how about they even gave you, look at this right here. When we get, oh, okay, no, that's the blinds. Chris, pay attention. This is your tankless water heater. How about that? On-demand hot water. And with a 46-gallon tank, that's pretty good. I would like to see a 60-gallon because that just means, you know, now you got some of the best capacity in travel trailers. But 46 is not bad. Not bad is also the layout and flow of this coach. Just take a look. The black and tan interior, the good mix of the dark and the light with the gray accents mixed in. It's just beautiful. Like, for example, the kitchen countertop here. This, oh, sorry. Okay, so, oh, sorry. So you got to understand, I'm working this cool little awesome machine called a gimbal. It's holding my cell phone while I film. I'm the guy that still has 12 o'clock blinking on his VCR. And yes, VCR, so we're just going to move on from that. Just bear with me. Right there is a good example of one of the inverted outlets like you're going to see all the way throughout this coach. But take a look at what they did with that press surface countertop. Rounded edge like we have over here. It's got the light and the dark mix, making it look like marble. I really appreciate the design that they put in the fit and finish of the RVs here in 2023. Nice kitchen. But underneath is where you're going to find your JENSEN AM/FM command center. Now, this is pretty cool because it is dual zone. You got inside and outside speakers. Inside speaker right here. Plus, it's Bluetooth as well as USB and HDMI. So if you want to bring your PlayStation or like Xbox or something like that, it's easy to plug in and get the entertainment up to the TV, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. But first, let me show you these cabinets. Okay, you got the little inlay here, shaker style. You got the oil bronze pulls with the magnet holders, and take a look at how deep the cabinets are. That's good space. Now, the bottom is a little bit thin, but they are supported by little side studs, so it does kind of help, you know, hold stuff in there. You just never want to overload the cabinets. And you not only get one big old window here on the campsite, you get two. Right above that is going to be your big 40-inch LED TV. Look at the size of that. It's also on a swivel arm. It does pull out, and right there is going to be your KeyTV multi-source connection. And people say, okay, well, what is that? What does KeyTV multi-source connection mean? It's just a smart controller that when you plug into the entertainment at the campsite, whether it be cable or satellite, the outlet knows and you're not chasing cables around. Continuing down the kitchen, you're going to see your 16-inch KEYSTONE oven here with the 3-burner cooktop. Look at that, got the space there. Okay, right on top. I'll push button light for my controls. And this glass cover not only does a good job of protecting the grill grates and your cooktop here, but it also gives you a little bit of extra prep space and does a decent job of being a backsplash too. So that kind of comes in handy. The flow that they did with the angle of the sink, I liked too, because you got more prep space like you have over here and over here. but you got an undermounted sink, and it's not stainless steel. I'm so used to seeing the stainless steel. Having this matte black is actually kind of refreshing. Plus, look, I got the little sprayer nozzle here. A little pull down, gives me good angles all over the sink when I want to do some cleaning, and I got the drying rack that rolls up. Very nice. Good countertop space, awesome layout, and then on top of that, I got me a little hanger here. Check this little thing out. So you could obviously hang utensils here if you wanted to, cooking stuff, but it's also magnet. So if you got like the big knives, you can just slap it on there and the magnet's gonna help keep it. Just like the magnet is gonna help keep your cabinet doors shut. Strong and sturdy, does a good job so it's not bouncing around while you're in transit, and good deep shelves too. So good space there. Got another one over here, and of course, our microwave. And with Keystone, you're gonna get that solid construction too. So solid wood build, just like with our drawers here. I got the oil bronze pull here, solid wood construction, and they're on the full extension drawer guides. The ball bearings do a good job of making it easy to move it in and out. The magnet, a great job of keeping it closed. Got my solid wood door right there, leading me into my pass-through bathroom. Other way, Chris. I'll get this thing one way or another. Just wait. And how about a 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo? Now, this is the Everchill 12 volt. So you get the freezer up top. They are vibration smart. They're frost resistant. Good space in both the fridge and the freezer. Besides, you get all the little, bottle hangers there, the adjustable shelves. Just, all around, good little fridge. And it's 12 volt, so you can run it while you're going down the road. Check out my DINETTE that's in the off-camp slide here. Yes, that is the table that doubles as the dinner table for the DINETTE, also the support for the DINETTE when you want to make it into a bed, because you can sleep 2 adults on there, but it also can serve as the coffee table for your recliners, which I'm gonna get to, trust me, that's coming. That whole area, which is the back of the 286BHU, is pretty awesome. Got a little hanger here for your tablet, whatever, dual USB chargers. I would have liked to have seen roller shades, but I appreciate the pleated shades to give me some privacy as well as light dampening when I want to go to bed. Oversized panoramic window here, plus one in the slide. And speaking of the slide, do you notice anything about the floor of the slide? There's no carpet. And the way that they did the design, the graphic on it, the continuation of the floor just flows right into the slide like you see over here. I like that because not only does it look good, it gives you the appearance of a bigger room. So pretty sweet. All right, now let's go into the master. Got this solid door here leading us into a pass-through bathroom. All right, work with me on this one. Yep, got my vanity, my sink, some storage underneath. Even got a pretty cool looking mirror up here, which is kind of modern. It's got the little edgeless mirror, really cool. Some good linen storage here. And that door right there is actually access from the master bedroom. So you got ward space / linen space. Got my flooring there. There's my ducts, as well as my toilet, my shower. But I want you to take a look at the floor of the shower. This I thought was cool too. I've seen the rectangle showers, like the 30 by 40 or the 36 by 48. This, to me, was they took a big square shower. So this is oversized. Big space. They added those corner notches in there. Give you a big skylight. You even get a vent and fan right there and your shower curtain. But this space in here, I don't know. It's not a rectangle. It's not a square. Those notches, I guess, make it a what? A octahedron, a decadahedron, or whatever. Somebody will know, I'm sure. But great space in the shower, just like when you walk into your master bedroom. Queen size bed here nestled up front. And you'll see you got 2 storage shelves, as well as your side ward storage, which is mirrored. An extra long nightstand space. You got an inverted outlet over here on the campsite with a laundry chute. Yep, love it. And over here on the off-camp side, extra large space with an inverted outlet, dual USB charging. And here's that storage that can be either ward or linen, leading you into the bathroom space. Now, this room here does have its own access point, which is nice. Good little spot. So if you got the kids sleeping in the back, you don't want to wake them up because you want to go check out the beach at night or whatever, you got the option to do that. But over here on the off-camp side is where you're going to find your entertainment, which, yes, you got to have it. Key TV connection, inverted outlet. I'm just not a fan of mounting the TV either on the off-camp wall like we have here or on the camp wall because I don't like turning to watch the entertainment. But I understand why they did it, because right here is your pocket door, which is solid, and you can't really put a TV backer there because that's your access to the bathroom. So still a good use of space. I mean, you could probably put one here. I wouldn't because I don't know if you got any supports there. But regardless, that's just, you know, one little hit. Hey, I still like everything in this coach. And when you're talking about taking this coach out, keeping the family warm and comfortable, you got a 30,000 BTU furnace. There's one of the ducts. You got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner up here. Check this bad boy out. Look at that. Got the quick cool dump. And you'll notice you got the blade pure distribution system right there. So in most RVs, the air just kind of blows straight down. What the blade system is, it makes that wind kind of cyclone. So you get about 30% more effectiveness when it comes to your cooling. And add to the fact that you're either going to get a 13.5 or 15K BTU AC, that's going to help out. This one happens to have the quick dump and is the 15K because inside the master, you get yourself a second AC. Look at it. There we go. Where's it at? There it is. Okay. Second AC with quick cool dumps. So if you don't have the kids with you and you just want to chill by yourself in your new 286BHU, you absolutely can. But the calling card to this one for me, besides the flow of everything in here, the fact that I got a multifunctional dinette table that's also a coffee table, is that the 286BHU is a rear bunk setup. But look at the setup that you have. Okay, you ready for the reveal? There are our plush, comfortable recliners where you have cup holders. You got space in the armrest as well as space in the console. And right behind that are your double over double bunks going east to west. Up top, plush and comfortable double bunk. Down below, plush and comfortable double bunk. With storage space, you got dual USB charging, you got windows, you got cross breeze, you got ward storage over here, you got hangers and a privacy curtain. But I'm pretty sure you probably saw what made me so excited about this one. Look at the back hatch that you get on the bottom bunk. Now, this bottom bunk does fold up so you can use it for storage, and you can go from the ground all the way to the top of the top bunk here, or underneath the top bunk here. But just picture yourself pulling up to the lake, checking out whether the sunrise or the sunset, you know, the kids sitting there swinging their legs off the back, maybe fishing off the back, or just you and your loved one want to just have a back porch. Fold the bottom bunk up, sit down, and enjoy just hanging out with each other, looking at nature, enjoying it. You got the strut supporting on the door there. Good space. If you need to load in some gear, you got the room for it. I mean, when you're talking about a sweet bunk setup that's versatile, multifunctional, this right here checks the boxes. And if you don't even need the bunks, it's like a rear entertaining coach. Because you got the big dinette over here. You got the chairs right there. This is, I tell you, this is why I wanted to show you this RV. It just stuck out with me. And now there's some cool stuff outside too. So step down the steel solid step over steps, and look, check this out. So you don't get an outside kitchen, but they wanted to at least give you a fridge. And since you do have the bunk rooms going like this behind the rear wall here, they couldn't give you a stand-up mini fridge. They gave you the drawer fridge. This is pretty cool. Okay, I like that. I like it a lot. You got power stabilizer jacks. You got LP Quick Connect, solid steps. You got the 14-inch steel rims here with the Dexter Easy Lube axles. Got those outside windows. Look at that. 2 of them on the kitchen. Love that. Got the extra large awning there. There's my speakers. That does have an LED light strip. Back of my tankless water heater. You do have a space for outside entertainment as well. And since it does have the yellow strip, that means it is an inverted outlet. Plus you got the cable connection and the mount steel steps leading me into the master. Finished off pass-through storage. You'll see you got yourself a little LED mushroom light there. Power cables there as well. The frame, solid. That's over a 10-inch frame right there. I like how you got a bigger frame, which gives you good support for this coach. Power tongue jack up front. 20-pound LP tanks, you got 2 of them. The Dragonfly lithium batteries right there. Diamond plate rock guard. Look at this, you've got updated graphics for 23 as well. Springdale stepping up the game a little bit. Battery disconnect right there. The Gigi box, if you will. And since over here on the other side of the pass-through storage, you do have the solar disconnect as well as your solar charge controller, and you are inverter prep, so if you want to upgrade to the 400, you got the system there. Having that battery disconnect there, see if I can get that to just get a little bit, I'll pull it back out so maybe you can see a little bit better. You can cut the Gigi box on the batteries off, leave this on, and that solar panel will trickle charge those lithium batteries. Fresh water connection, city water connection, right there are your main dumps. Once again, you got a 46-gallon fresh, 39-gallon gray, 30-gallon black on this one. Plus you got your outside shower as well as black tank flush. True fit slide construction on this one, which is another Keystone calling card. Just gives you peace of mind knowing that it's a quality built slide made for that space, reducing wear and tear, also reducing the chance that moisture is going to get in to your 286BHU. Come around to the rear. There's one of those sealed safety windows for the bunk area. Right there is right beside our recliners. But I got to tell you, this right here, this is it for me. I like this. That rear hatch. I want to load some gear in, I can. Sure, I got backup camera prep, I got ladder prep, I got that big, beautiful American flag, spare tire, 4x4, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's all there. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. If I wanted to lift this up, you see how those hinges are right there? This top part where my hand is would actually fold down, and you'd have all this storage space to store, plus you got tie downs. These are welded in. So good, strong support if you need to bring some toys or just wanted to load some gear. High storage space, so if you wanted to, I don't know, put cabinets in there, an extra fridge. I don't know, maybe you want to make this an outside movie. I don't know. It's a great, versatile coach that is also a bunk. The Keystone Springdale 286BHU, 32 feet 11 inches, roughly 7,000 pounds. Awesome bunk layout. Awesome flow, and it's ready and waiting for you at your local Camping World. And I know what you're saying, Chris, this is pretty cool, we like it, but do you have a bunk that's maybe traditional? Yeah, I got you. Or Chris, you got one that's maybe a little bit bigger? Sure, I'm actually gonna link some options of some other videos you can check out of more bunk rooms, but this one right here, please leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you like about it, what you not like about it, and please click like, subscribe, and notify too, so next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young. Thank you for indulging me here as I did a cell phone video with my new little gimbal toy. I hope you enjoyed the 286BHU because I sure did. I'll see you soon.